I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with payments not going through on Stash, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update your app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Stash app. Outdated apps can lead to glitches that affect payment processing. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt payment processing. Check your Wi-Fi or cellular data to ensure it's working properly. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you're using an Android device, clearing the app cache can help resolve issues. Go to your device settings, find Stash, and select Clear Cache. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Stash customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into your account issues. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the payment issue quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it.